Method definition, method in a sentence, method pronunciation, method meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of method. 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 Method as a noun means a procedure or an approach for accomplishing something, or a way of doing something. Common usages in academic writing: a reliable method, an innovative method, a new method, a general method, a tailored method, the traditional method. Following the method, to revise the method, to develop a new method. Example sentences: method, noun. As the internet grew and expanded its reach, new cyber attack methods also became more dangerous. Example sentence number 2. The newly developed method maximizes the output, whereas the traditional method only yielded average results. The common academic writing variation is methodical, adjective. She needed to design a more methodical approach to evaluate the new operating system. Please write a sentence using method in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of method, the meaning of method, and method example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video. Bye!